Hi, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to compress file size. To learn how to compress large files to small size, you have to follow every steps in this video. Compressing file size has several advantages. A small size means that it's easy to upload and share. Takes less time to data transfer. Hey there, are you new in our YouTube channel? Please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest techie and informative videos, and please enable bell icon. To compress folder, we are going to use file compression softwares. So today you will learn how to highly compress a file using WinRAR. WinRAR is the best and most used compression software. I am already given the link in description. Otherwise, you can download it easily from Google. Just open your Chrome browser and type winrar download. Then click on enter. Then click on the first link, winrar.com. Then click download WinRAR button. Here you can see you can easily download this WinRAR software to your Windows or any Mac. You can also purchase the WinRAR. No need to buy WinRAR. You can use all features by using this main version. Now I am going to compress this folder. First of all, I will show you the folder size. Here you can see 262 MB. Now after installing this WinRAR software, then you need to select this folder and click on right click, then select add to archive, then click on this button. Here you can add a new name for this folder. Just now I am given this new folder name as new. If you want to change this name, you can change by here. I am entering new x.rar file. Then archive format is same as RAR. No need to change this section. If you want to make a zip file, you can create by clicking this zip. Now I am no need to change this format. Then select the compression method. Its normal is default. Now I am choosing this best. Then dictionary size, now it's 32 MB is default. Now I am changing into 128 MB. Then select create solid archives and also select log archive. Then no need to change any other step, other section. No need to change anything in advance or any other options. If you want to add set a password, you can simply add a set a password by clicking here. Now I am not adding password. Now click on OK. Now the creating the compressor file is started. Now you can see the RAR file is already created. Now this compression is almost completed. You can see 79%. Now you can see the name is also changed new to new X. You can add any name into your new archive folder. Now I will show you the size of this for archive RAR file. Now this is 84.5, and you know already we have compressed this 268 MB file. That's mean almost 70% compressed. You can share this compressed file using mail or any other sharing platforms. Thanks for watching.